So in this video we are going to show you the first part of replacing the brake lever, the throttle, and eventually the LCD screen, because we have to disassemble first these two parts to be able to access the LCD screen. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to remove the grips. So you have to turn them just as you did with initial assembly. The right one unmounts by turning it clockwise. The left one unmounts by turning it counterclockwise. So now you have both grips removed. Now we use a 5mm wrench to unmount the brake lever. So now it's unmounted. And then to remove the throttle, you have to remove the silicone cover first and use a 3mm Allen wrench. You will find underneath the throttle two holes. So on the left one there is an Allen screw that you can remove by using the wrench. And the bolt will come off. And now the throttle unit will slide outwards. The cable is a little bit tightened inside, but if you push, now you have the throttle unit unmounted. Now we are going to proceed to open the main control unit, and we will show you that.